In this video, you're going to learn how to autofocus your image in Canva. So first, you're going to go to Canva. Obviously, if you don't have an account, please create. It's for free, and you're going to look for photo templates. So you're just searching photo templates. So you're going to choose what you want. There's the ones for stories, there's the ones for just any. I'm going to be choosing the first one here, and you go to custom this template and right click, remove detach image, and then you delete it. So you're going to look for an image in your uploads that you want to use. So I'm going to be using this of this girl here, and you tap on a photo and then up you see edit photo, so you click on that and then you scroll down till you see autofocus. And then you tap on it. So it is autofocusing. If you like the video, please drop a like to it. So as you can see, it's done, and you can customize, increase the blur or focus position. After that, you're going to make it into the frame, so you're going to resize it to be into the frame that you wanted. So I'm going to delete these other frames, this middle one here. So you just tap on it and then you delete, and then you tap on the image and then you right click and set image as background. So when you're done, you're going to download. So you go to share and then you click download. And then PNG is suggested, so you click download again on this one and it downloads. So that is how you autofocus your images in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment for more videos you want to see.